All right, also being asked to solve this equation. There's two different ways we can do this. It almost always feels like there's multiple ways to do it. The book kind of led me they kind of suggested to use this U substitution, which in this case seems more of a hassle than it's worth, because x plus 5 isn't so nasty looking, but say you had something absolutely awful like this under there. Let's say you had that here and here. In that case, I would say definitely use a U substitution because that's pretty nasty. But x plus 5, not so bad. So I'm going to go ahead and do this the traditional way and multiply it through. So it's going to give me x squared plus 10x plus 25 minus 3x minus 15 minus 4 equals 0. Sorry about that. And then I'm going to combine all my terms. So I've got x squared plus 7x plus 6 equals 0. Now we've got our 6, and 1. So we've got x plus 1 times x plus 6 equals 0. So x equals -1 or -6. Now, just in case we did have something nasty like this, let me go ahead and show you what the U substitution would look like. So in this case, we would set U equal to x plus 5, and we would rewrite our equation. So we've got U squared minus 3 times U minus 4 equals 0. And we've got 4 and 1, so we need this to be a negative and this one to be a positive. So we're going to end up with U minus 4 times U plus 1 equals 0. And now that we have our two factors, then we can go ahead and plug U back in. So that's going to give us x plus 5 minus 4 equals 0, or x plus 5 plus 1 equals 0. So that's going to give us x equals -1. Sorry, I was just making sure I did that right. Yeah, x equals -1. And over here, we're going to get x equals -6. So you can see we got the same things. The book was definitely leaning towards doing a U substitution. I didn't feel like it was necessary in this case, just because x plus 5 was so clean. But this is how you would do it in case you had something a little more complicated. As long as you could see that you could pull it out, it could become one of the factors, then by all means do the U substitution. But in this case, I didn't feel like it was necessary.